Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customz YouTube channel. So today, as you can see, we're in Canada and I'm right in front of the CN Tower, and this is going to be a Canadian edition where we're going to be working not on this Honda Civic but on a Hyundai Sonata 2-litre turbo. So many of you might be asking, why haven't I been active for a long time? So recently I've lost my dad and also my uncle. So this video is going to be dedicated to both of them, and it's going to be dedicated to Mr. Balachandran Kandaya and Mr. Narasimurthy Rasi as well. So let's get straight into the video. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel I talk about things I do on my personal car, which is a 4 Series F33, my project car, which is a 7 Series E38, and customers' cars and cousins' cars like these, which we're going to be doing today. So let's get straight into the video. Today we're going to be working on my cousin's Hyundai 2-litre turbo Sonata. So I haven't actually worked with this, and as you can see, my other cousin is coming and pulling up in his Tesla Model X right here. So we'll maybe do a video on that as well before I leave this country. However, this is the car we're going to be working with today. We're going to be installing light bars, we're going to be installing a new mirror, and we're going to be installing some lights to the front. So it's going to be a challenge for me to do this, as I've never worked with this before. However, we're going to get it done, and we're going to get this car alpha-mized. So first up, let's start up with the mirrors, and we're going to get the mirror changed, and then after that we're going to get this hood strut. How do you call it? Hood struts?
Hood struts?
Hood struts, yeah. Whatever it's called, we're going to get these bad boys changed on this. Because as you can see, this one is not really reliable and it will just keep coming down. So we're going to make sure we get those changed so the hood doesn't fall on your head. So this is how the car currently looks, and the lights have all been changed on this car, I believe, by my cousin already. And we're just going to get to work. So let's get crack-a-lacking. First up, you want to start off by removing the wires from the actual mirror. So you want to remove the connector going into the actual mirror and any loose or broken plastic bits, which I'm doing here. And then second up, you want to remove this plastic bit, which is right here, and this plastic bit has the bolts hidden right behind it, so you want to remove that. And then once you remove that, you want to loosen the door cards, and this is done by just pulling on the door cards and getting a little plastic trim removing tool and just wedging it in between so that you loosen the clips holding the door cards. And once you do that, you can remove the connector that holds the mirror, and you can remove these 3 10mm bolts, which will give you access to removing the actual mirror. And then in my case here, the mirror didn't come off once I removed the 10mm bolts, so you need to give it a gentle tap from the back so that it comes out and you don't have any damage to it. So we're going to start taking out this panel. In order to do that, we just need a screwdriver with a Phillips head. So we're going to do that and then start removing all of this so we can install the light bar and start wiring it up. So let's get to work. So we're trying to take off that whole trim. In order to do that, we take off so many bolts, and since I'm limited with tools here, I'm just trying to get the right tool to work. And since Amazon are not delivering our parcel till like 6 p.m. or whatever, it's a bit long and we need to deal with whatever we have here. So let's see if this works. Tighten that.
Once you get it going.
Finally, bada bing, bada boom.
This is the piece that's going to be going in.
So this is actually looking much better than it was before. We're just going to figure out how to wire this down. So in order to remove this, all you have to do is remove 2 bolts which are underneath here, 2 silver bolts. And once you do that, you can remove the light, but you don't have to. We did because there's more space to work with and it's much easier to work with this way, instead of having the light in and then damaging the light while taking off the trim. So we would advise taking off the light. If not, you can keep the light on and remove it as well. However, they just clips held in, and you need to just apply a bit of pressure and just pull on it and it will come out. And as you saw earlier, the whole plastic trim is out. So now we're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to push it down this time so that it clips back in. Now it's time to wire these lights on, and as you can see, I'm just wiring everything up and it's a pretty straightforward process. However, since my cousin's got aftermarket lights, I'm just wiring it straight to his aftermarket lights, and I'm just testing it while I'm doing it so that I know that it is working. Let me know what you guys think of the Sonata, lit up or without it lit up. Which one would you choose? Personally, I think I might go without the Sonata, otherwise it gets a bit too much, but some people might prefer that. So let me know down in the comments if you would prefer this lit up or without it lit up. This is the closest I can show you guys with the hood down, but I will show you a little preview without the Sonata once it's all down. Here is a little preview of how it looks with the Sonata on. So in order to remove these struts, it's pretty simple. You just need to get like a little flathead screwdriver or something and try get into here and just release these. To the end of this video, and as you can see, the lights are all wired up and they're all working. The mirrors have been changed as well on the side, so this part of the video is done. And my cousin didn't want the Sonata bit lit up, so I've taken that off. And yeah, this is the end of the video, and this car has just been alphamized. This is the Canada edition. This Hyundai's got these new light bars, the new mirrors, the new hood struts are all fitted, and hopefully if I have time we might do something else on this car before I leave. If not, this will be the end of the video. And if you did like this video and you found it informative, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment and be part of this Alpha Customz journey. and do follow us on our Instagram page, which I'll leave the link for below. And on the page you would see the behind the scenes things that we do with these cars, with my customers' cars, with my own project car, which is a 7 Series E38, and my own car, which is a 4 Series F33. So till next time, peace.